Hello, it's me, Rowena Harris-Doughty. We've already spoken too much about celebrities, so this time we've prepared for you a report about a regular day of a very regular trader.
Increase of 1.9% in utilities and a 0.3% improvement in manufacturing output. Industrial production.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, come on. A bit more. Yeah, yeah.
Are you trading currencies again? It better be porn.
No, honey, no. I'm just checking my email.
Anyway, it's time to go to work. Hurry up.
Please turn on the FX news. I need to check the economic calendar for today.
It's the closely watched preliminary University of Michigan sentiment for January. Final data revealed a 2.9 point rise for the index in December. After a slump.
Hello? Is this the University of Michigan? No, it's not a prank call. It's really me. Yes, I'm not joking. What's in your latest consumer confidence report? Really? Okay, thanks, bye. Hello, Timothy? What the is wrong with our economy? Fix it now. I'm short in Eurodollar, but the rate is to go up. Sorry, sir. You can't do anything at the moment? You need 4 years to fix it? Are you nuts? Hello? Dukascopy? Please close my position on Eurodollar. Yes, now. I lost. I lost again? Stupid economy. Yes.
No. This is not what you think.
What is wrong with that room?
What has just happened? Why have you stopped your report? Please, carry on.
world's largest financial market, and it plays a vital role in the
Hello,
global
it's me,
economy.
Rowena Harris
Every
Doughty.
day,
We've
trillions of
already
dollars
spoken
are
too
exchanged
much
from
about
one currency to
celebrities,
another.
so this
This
time
kind of
we've
currency
prepared for you
exchange is
a
essential
report
for
about a
international
regular day
business.
of a very
Forex
regular
market
trader.
participants include governments, businesses, and of course, investors. Governments use the Forex market to implement policies. For example, when conducting business with another country, whether it's borrowing money, lending money, or offering aid, a country needs to convert its currency into a foreign currency. Businesses use the Forex market to facilitate international trade. For example, they may need to convert payments for goods and services bought overseas or to exchange payments from international customers into their preferred currency. And investors use the Forex market to speculate on changes in currency prices. Currency prices change almost constantly during the week because the Forex market is open continuously from Sunday at 4 p.m. until Friday at 4 p.m. Central Time. A trading day starts at 4 p.m. and ends at 4 p.m. Central Time the following day. The market has to be open around the clock because of the global nature of the economy. Let's go over some basics of how trading Forex works. When you trade Forex, you're not just trading one product. You're trading two currencies against each other. This is known as a currency pair. The quote for a Forex currency pair defines the value of one currency relative to the other. The easiest way to understand any quote is to read the pair from left to right. Let's look at an example using the euro versus the US dollar currency pair. If the EUR-USD is trading at 1.20, that means 1 euro is equal to $1.20 US dollars. Here's another example using the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar currency pair. If the USD-CAD is trading at 1.25, that means 1 US dollar is equal to $1.25 Canadian dollars. Even though there are two currencies involved, the pair itself acts like a single entity, similar to a stock or commodity. And just like when trading stock, investors profit when they buy a currency pair, and its price increases. Investors can also profit if they sell or short a currency pair, and the price decreases. Let's look at an example. Suppose an investor thinks Europe's economy is going to grow faster than the United States, and as a result, she thinks the euro will strengthen against the US dollar. She can buy the euro versus US dollar pair to speculate on her assumption. If the price of the currency pair rises, she'll make money. Conversely, if the price falls, she'll experience a loss. Now that we've covered the basics, let's look at a few key aspects of the Forex market. We'll start with margin. When you trade on margin, you only need to put up a percentage of the total investment to enter into a position. This amount is known as the margin requirement. When you trade other securities like stocks, trading on margin means you're borrowing funds from your broker. However, Forex trades can only be covered using funds in the investor's Forex account. Investors can't borrow funds to enter a Forex trade. If they don't have funds in their Forex account, they need to transfer funds before placing a trade. Forex margin requirements vary depending on the currency pairs and the size of a trade. Currency pairs typically trade in specific quantities known as lots. The most common lot sizes are standard and mini. Standard lots represent 100,000 units, and mini lots represent 10,000 units. Depending on your brokerage firm, you may also be able to trade Forex in 1,000 unit increments, also known as micro lots. Margin requirements can be as small as 2% of a trade or as large as 20%, but the margin averages around 3 to 5%. To understand how margin is calculated, let's look at an example using the euro versus US dollar pair. Say this pair was trading at 1.20 and an investor wanted to buy a standard lot or 100,000 units. The total cost of the trade would be $120,000. That's a lot of capital. However, the investor doesn't have to pay that full amount. Instead, she pays the margin requirement. Let's say the margin requirement was 3%. 3% of $120,000 is $3,600. That's the amount the investor needs in her Forex account to place this trade. This brings us to another key element of the Forex market: leverage. Leverage enables investors to control a large investment with a relatively small amount of money. In this example, the investor is able to control $120,000 with $3,600. The leverage associated with currency pairs is one of the biggest benefits of the Forex market, but it's also one of the biggest risks. Leverage gives investors the potential to make large profits or large losses. One more important element in the Forex market is financing. This is the calculation of net interest owed or earned on currency pairs, and it happens when an investor holds a position past the close of the trading day. The US dollar is associated with an overnight lending rate set by the Fed, and this rate defines the cost of borrowing money. Similarly, each foreign currency has its own overnight lending rate. Remember, when you trade a currency pair, you're trading two currencies against each other. Even though the currency pair acts like a single entity, you're technically long one currency and short the other. In terms of financing, you're lending the currency that you're long and borrowing the currency you're short. This lending and borrowing occurs at the overnight lending rate of each respective currency. In general, an investor receives a credit if the currency he is long has a higher interest rate than the currency he is short. Conversely, an investor is debited if the currency he is long has a lower interest rate than the currency he is short. Let's look at an example. Suppose an investor has a position in the Australian dollar versus the US dollar currency pair. Say the overnight lending rate for the Australian dollar is 2% and the overnight lending rate for the US dollar is 1%. The investor is long the currency pair, which means he is long the AUD and short the USD. Since the AUD has a higher interest rate than the USD, the investor will receive a credit. However, if the investor was short the AUD-USD currency pair, he'd have to pay the debit because he's short the currency that has a higher interest rate. Financing is performed automatically by your brokerage firm. However, it's important to understand how it works and its financial impact on the trade. We've reviewed just a few elements of the Forex market. As with all investment opportunities, the Forex market has a unique set of risks and benefits, and education is the first step to determine if this is the right opportunity for you.
Check. What's going on, everybody? Give me 1 second. I want to check something. Give me 1 second. Make sure we live in effect. As y'all can see, I got my baby girl Ava with me. She's still asleep. Good morning, y'all. I give y'all a couple seconds to load onto the video. YouTube, Facebook. What's up, y'all? How y'all feeling? Happy Monday. And if this is your very first time joining live with us, definitely smash that like button. We want to invite you guys. We want to welcome y'all. You know how we do. Good morning, y'all. Good morning. It's all good. We'll make it move, make it shake. Alright, so we actually see something playing out right now as we speak live. I got my good luck charm with me, baby Ava. Good morning, y'all. Good morning. Happy N.C.A.M Monday. N.C.A.M Monday. Can anybody say N.C.A.M? N.C.A.M. She's sleeping so peacefully. Alright, y'all. So look. Alright. Yeah, so today's Monday, man, and you know, the same thing happens over and over again. I mean, let me show you guys before we even get started. We closed some profit, and some profit is still up, fluctuating. I don't know if you guys can see that. Like the video if you can see the profit. Like the video if you're here to make some profit. Like the video if you want this to be you. Like the video if you want to learn how to do this, how to cash out. Look. And then look, look. That's what we closed with so far. Right? Then I go to the same screen. We're still in profit. But I will say this though. This current trade that I'm in right now, that I'm showing y'all right now, is I need to close because this is we're in profit right now, but that current trade, I could be losing some money because it's about to go against, you know, the direction that I was going in, so I need to close. But just showing you guys a little bit of profit, letting you guys know that you can be in profit as well. We about to get started in a second. All right, y'all. So look, I mean, like I said, if you guys are not in the circle of the 120 Dreamers, we got 120 Dreamers all over social media, man. Sharing their results, just taking what we give people as far as the blueprint, and they just simply, what I'm saying, plug and play. That's all I can say, man. It's just that easy. People will just follow in direction. We say, hey, do this at this time of the day, and they do it. And we literally have people making money in their sleep. Still to this day, people are making money in their sleep. People making money, while they at work, whatever the case may be. But it comes down to, like I say, plugging and playing, being able to follow simple instructions, and that's one is just being able to change your mindset. I feel like if you alter the way that you think and you alter your mind, then you can achieve and unlock a lot of different things. Like, for real, it sounds cliche, but now, if you really think about it, because a lot of us, and you can think about it as you listen to me yourself. Your downfalls and your flaws and whatnot. Our mind and ourselves get in our way of being successful most times. You know what I'm saying? So it's not the outside sources. It's not the information we're giving people or nothing like that. It's you, purely the person. So if you trying to achieve a certain goal or trying to get somewhere and you ain't getting there, you got to sit back and look at yourself like, man, how can I get better? Because, I mean, at the end of the day, for real, that's just all that it is, because, like, in this, this industry of investing, it was a lot of times that I was getting the right information and the right knowledge, but, I wasn't implementing it right away or the right way. And, I was having a mindset like, man, this don't work. No, I need to alter the way that I was thinking, alter the way that I'm approaching it, and then reiterate and try to go about it again. And that's all it is. And that's why I wanted to kind of stop and say something about, like I say, the thought process, the thinking process. So right now, this euro versus the British pound pair is consolidating. Consolidation just means that right now the market's at a standstill. Buyers and sellers are literally fighting for the best price right now and trying to see who's going to take the market over next. It may be some news involved in this. We don't know, but generally when you see something like this happening, you know, it's like how we go to the club. I always like to reference, it's like if we go to the club, what time would you guys go to the club? If you're trying to have some fun, you're trying to go out, what time do you guys generally go out? 12, 1. Thank you. So, it's just like that. If we go to the club at 8, 9 o'clock, it's gonna be very dry. It's gonna be very, it's not gonna be fun. All right. Same thing is happening right now. But generally during this time though, we see the market moving. But we got to get a market a little bit of time to see, what's going on. Don't be surprised if the market don't move today. Certain days the market don't move, which is okay. We not losing money. That's all that counts. All right. Now, our only job as an investor, like I said, is to find patterns. Now, if you are in the 120 inner circle and you're on this live video, if you're not, right, I want to show you something, but I can't tell you too much. Because look, within this box right here that I highlighted, right, we call this consolidation, right? But that doesn't mean that you don't have an opportunity to make money. So my point of bringing who's all on this live right now, if you're a 120 dreamer or becoming one, if you're already in, then you have the inside scoop on how to take advantage of scenarios like this. Now, if you're on the outside looking to become one of, a part of our inner circle, then once you get inside the inner circle, we give you all type of inside scoop, hidden gems and whatnot on, like I say, how to, trade and take action and when not to. There's times of the day when things happen and you have to be very conscious about certain conditions of the market. So, right now we just leave it at consolidation. Let's continue on and see what else we got. And for my YouTube fans and 120 Dreamers on YouTube, shout out to y'all. And like I say, man, we expanding out to YouTube as well. So make sure y'all follow us on YouTube as well. Subscribe, and if y'all on YouTube, make sure y'all subscribe to the Facebook account. Cause like I say, we go live on both platforms now. Continue on. Let's see. That was the euro. Let's see what the Nasdaq. Now look, guys, it's tripped out because look, I called this on the Telegram Friday. I called this on the Telegram Friday. And like I say, if you're in the circle, you get inside scoop on all of this, you know, before the event plays out. So you have the advantage to take advantage of these same moves. So pretty much right here is what I called out Friday. And I called out this move before it played out. And just kind of giving people a heads up to what to expect. And share that Telegram information with y'all. But you know, like I said, it's exclusive information for people who already invested. But this thing went down 227 points. At the most least, you would have walked away with $227. You know what I'm saying? If you had a little bit more money to invest. And then look, the same thing happened today, guys. Look, we show people how to take advantage of these moves. And every single day, it doesn't matter who you are. We show people how to do it like the next person. And if you can plug and play, look, boom. And this is today. Let's see how much money you would have made off this. Watch this. Just check this out. So we take it from the bottom all the way to the top. Where is that now? That's 103. So at the most least, wiping the crust off your eyes. Listen to me. Not even waking up with your morning breath. Not even brushing your teeth yet. Whatever. You would have made 100 at the least. At the most least, minimum, you'd have made 103. Not saying that you would have put. Not saying that you would have put $10 on that. That would have been $1,030. You know what I'm saying? So let's continue on. But yeah, that's one of the strategies that we talk about. Let's check out one of the favorites real quick. The British pound versus the US dollar. Alright, so let's check this one out. So look, for all my 120 Dreamers and for my future 120 Dreamers, look, like I say, don't worry about anything. Even your self-doubt that you're having in your mind right now. We help people overcome that as well. You know, we help people alter the way that they think and far as their perspective, because like I said, sometimes it just takes another person to shine a light or see something in another person. So like I say, it's more than just showing people how to invest, how to make money and wealth. It's a family thing. It's you know, it's a community thing, and you know, we making sure that people chase greatness, and we're putting people in that position to do that. You know what I'm saying? So it starts here. It starts with this skill set. This what we're doing, what I'm doing right now, talking to you guys, what I'm talking about. This is a lifetime skill set. You guys understand what I'm saying? A lifetime skill set. So if I say skill set and I say lifetime, when I say lifetime, you say skill set. When I say lifetime, you say skill set. But no, for real. But it's a lifetime skill set. I want you guys to understand what that really means. It's something that, hey, if I give it to you, you ain't got to be friends with me or like me or anything. It's a lifetime skill set. Meaning that, hey, I ain't got to like this person I'm learning from. But, hey, after I get done learning this, I can go ahead and go about my business. I ain't got to talk to that person no more. I got a lifetime skill set. So if me and him fall out or whatever the case may be, it don't matter. I still have that lifetime skill set that was passed on to me, the blueprint. And nobody can take that away from you. You guys get what I'm saying? So this is why investing, once again, has been the culture, but we're making investing a new swag, because it's a difference between culture and swag, and we're making the new swag to be invested, because we know that for a fact that, you know, let's say a good 50-70% of people don't even know about investing. Don't even know that stocks or currencies or Forex, don't even know that none of these things exist. So this is why our mission is to, one, pay it forward to people. But second, at the same time, making it the new swag and the new cool thing to do, right? So how people walk down the street and it's cool to have a new phone and all this, we're going to make investing the new swag, the new cool thing to do. Because it's just a no-brainer. I mean, like, you can make money in your sleep. I mean, like, baby Ava is sleeping right here, guess what, guys? Look, money is being cranked out, guys. Look, I don't know if you guys can see this. Look, money is being cranked out. Look, as baby Ava is sitting here sleeping in my arms, money is being cranked out. Money is being made. And I'm not lying to you guys. This what I'm holding right now, as far as these profits. I woke up to this. I didn't like have to sit here and watch the chart. It was a set and forget trade. You set the trades, like you say, we give you the blueprint. You set the trades, you walk away, and you deal with the results. And as you guys can see, I'm talking to you guys right now. I'm not watching these trades, but you can see the money and profit. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'll zoom in for that. But if you get anything from this, guys, just listen to me. We're giving people opportunity to become a part of what we're doing. And this is, like I say, this is not open for everybody because we are very selective. We're very, selective, like I said, as far as who we let inside the inner circle to get this information, because this information right here is powerful information. You're talking $1 trillion market. You know what I'm saying? And you're able to take this and feed your family for an eternity. You can die tomorrow and pass the blueprint on to your kids, and they'll be able to eat for an eternity. I guarantee it. So this is the British pound, and we talk about patterns once again. And I'm just gonna point out this pattern for you guys, but just follow me for right now. Don't worry about how to do it. That's why you need to reach out and get the information so you can learn how to put yourself in that position. So we get an M pattern up in here, right? And I'm just showing you guys that we can spot these patterns and make money. I don't know if you guys are listening or catching what I'm saying, but we spot these patterns to make money. So if I take this and I measure this out from the top to the bottom, that was 89 pips. So 89 pips, at the most least, you could have walked away today with $89. You could have walked away with $890. You could have walked away with $8,090. It just depends on how much money you have to invest. Alright? And look live, look, you saw it just depends on how much money you have to invest. Alright? And look live, look, you saw the M pattern, right? I know you guys saw the M pattern, right? Watch this, you guys don't trip out. I got a W pattern for you right now. There you go. Look, guys, look, I'm telling you, look. W pattern right there. If you guys can see this W pattern, I need you to like this video. I need you to share this video. I need you to just comment, say something. If you watching this video, it don't matter if you're a 120 dreamer and you're inside the inner circle with us or you're not. If you can visually see this, look. Guys, look. Look, can you see this or no? I mean, like, are you blind? I mean, what? Can you see this? Look at that. And look, and it hasn't really fully formed yet. So that means that, hey, I can get in right here. So where I'm going to put this line at is where I can enter in. If I missed it down here, like I said, the market is giving. It's going to give you more and more opportunities to get in. Once again, we're talking about the patterns. Buy low. Watch this. I'm gonna sit here with y'all so y'all can see this pattern play out. Guys, look, this is all that we do. This is something that you're going to do. You set and forget the trades and walk away. So I'm thinking this thing is probably going to go, I don't know how far we're going to go back up, but we could potentially get 100 pips out this W pattern right here. So we don't know. But look, guys, look. Let me move this out the way. I'm going to put that over there. I mean, like, come on, man. Come on, guys. Look, it's about to happen right in front of your eyes. Ava, do you see this? Ava. She's like, man, leave me alone. Guys, you see this pattern, right? There we go. As you're joining the live video, we're just sitting and watching the money cook up. This could be your money cooking up. But look. Look at that pattern right there. So the money that you're seeing, right, that comes from being able to spot this. It's not hard. So if y'all scrolling and jumping back and forth from the video, hey, that's you. You know, we making money over here. The market's going to continue to do what it's going to do. You got a smartphone, you got Wi-Fi, that's all you need. I'm telling you. Look, you can see the W. If you can see a W pattern on this chart right now, that's all that we do. Literally. So like I said, when you get into the 120 inner circle with us, right, we're going to give you the whole scoop, the whole blueprint. And there go Ava. Hey, mama. We live, mama. Want to say hi? Say hi, mama. Y'all like her little ruffles? Look, Ava. I got daddy's shirt. You see that W pattern? You see that W for Washington? See, Ava see it. Guys, I mean, it's just to simplify. It's not stressful as people think it is. It's not hard. It's not time consuming. It's definitely not as risky as people think this is. Especially when you got the right mentorship and the blueprint, you know. And as you guys can see, you know, you're able, if you got kids, if you don't, you know, you're able to sit here and, you know, do your thing with your kids, you know. And sometimes I don't sit here, you know. I go about my business, you know. But guys, I can't make this up. And I know I'm stressing this, but you guys see the pattern playing out live right as I'm sitting here talking to y'all. And if you're able to spot the patterns every single day, you're able to make whatever dollar amount you desire, whatever your little heart desire, all right? You can do it. You have control over the notch of money that you want to put into the trades. It just comes down to learning, hey, the game, how to do it, when to do it, you know what I'm saying? And that's all that we are doing on this N.C.A.M session. We call N.C.A.M session No Longer Confused About Money. And I want to welcome all the 120 Dreamers on YouTube to the N.C.A.M session. No longer confused about money. N.C.A.M challenge. And we're going to keep passing this on and paying it forward. Like I said, this is the goal. This is the mission. Alright? Once you get the skill set and learn this, it's not for you to keep it and keep it to yourself. You know what I'm saying? You got to pass it on. Because there's no need for you to keep it to yourself. It's not going to stop your dollar signs from flowing in because you got the skill set already. You know when to find the pattern, when to look for it, when not to, and all that good stuff. You get what I'm saying? So, live, you guys get to see it. You guys are privileged enough to be able to see the patterns happen live. A lot of people don't get to see this, but I'm showing you live. Look, I'm going to mark it up real quick just to point it out to y'all. If you haven't by now seen it, I mean, like, I don't know what you mean. But look, this is the pattern that we're looking at. I don't know if you guys seen it already, but I'll point it out for you. So this is the W pattern right here. Give me 1 second, y'all. Now, there we go. All right, so this is the W pattern right here. It hasn't fully formed yet. So what we're looking for to happen is we're looking for a buy, meaning that if we're calling this correctly, we're making money as it goes in our direction. You're talking some nice money. So, boom, it goes up, right? Because we see the pattern. We see the W pattern. So that's what we are looking for the outcome to be. So when that happens, we're going to make at least, you know, what is this, 100 pips? So that's, you know, you could walk away with a good 1,000 or plus. And then what, under 15 minutes. So we'll sit here if you want to, or if you don't, you can set the trade and walk away. But this is probably going to take a good 15, 30 minutes for this trade to play out. But I mean, 15 to 30 minutes to make some thousands, I don't care. I don't know about you, but if you told me that I can make a couple thousand, whatever it is, in 15 or 30 minutes, I'm going to sit and chill. You understand what I'm saying? And this happens on repeat. All you have to do is position yourself to do the same thing. And I'm showing you, yes, you, if you're not inside the inner circle, become a 120 dreamer and we got you. All right? Some of y'all sit on the sideline and hesitate for what? So we're going to let this cook up. Look. I don't know if y'all can see it, but just look at that. It's just a beauty, you know. This is money making process right here. Let's continue on with something real quick, and then we're gonna come back to that because by that time probably being cooked up already. So let's continue on. Let's see if we find another pattern because, like I said before, the patterns make us money. They make us wealth. They're gonna make you wealth. So let's see what else we got. Let's check out the euro. All right, so we potentially got. You got something to say, Ava? All right, so we potentially got a pattern right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we potentially got a W pattern here as well. So that means that we're buying the market, meaning that we want to make money. All right. So if you're really about your money, hit us up. If you're really about your money, learn the skill set. So when you see a pattern, we make money. It's money making time. If you get anything from what I'm saying, when you see the patterns and you learn how to do this for yourself, stop looking for other people to do it for you and trade your money and make money for you because it's not going to happen. Look, I'm telling you, we show you exactly what to do. Almost if we're trading for you. But like I say, man, when you see the patterns, it's money making time. So let's see what else we what else we find. You can even say this is a W pattern right here. Guys, I'm not making this up. It's just that easy. All right? So if you want us to show you how to do this, we'll be more than willing to do that. So hold on. So that's the W pattern. Y'all see it? So guess what? We're expecting this bad boy to go up. That's how we make our money. So let's see what else we got. Uh-oh, we could potentially see some out of that consolidation right there. But let's go to the NASDAQ. Alright, so the NASDAQ broke out today. So what else? Because today is Monday, so everything is pretty much setting up for the entire week. Now, like I said, I'm not going to give too much gems and, you know, hidden knowledge on this live, you know, because like I say, you know, this is just to expose people to what this industry is all about and how they can be a part of it. But, you know, we don't get too much of our inside scoop unless you are inside the inner circle. Because like we say, you know, it just shows that you, the person, are serious and ambitious and wanting to fund whatever dreams and goals and whatever desires and aspirations you might have. And we put people in that position to do that. And, you know, we paying it forward. You know, that's what it's all about. And that's what we're trying to do. So, you know, let's see what else we got. Let's go back to the British pound. Ava over here tearing my hand up. Dang, Ava. All right. So, that's pretty much... All right, let's check out gold. Let's actually check out gold. Let's see what gold is cooking up over here. Just know, I mean, like, I know some of y'all are not inside the inner circle yet. And y'all, you know, don't know what's going on. But I feel like if you don't know better, why not reach out and learn or, you know, at least inquire about it. You know, be like, hey, man, what's going on? Let me check this out. Because, look, let me show y'all the results of the other 120 Dreamers. And this is on our website. So y'all can go on our website and check us out. But look, like I say, the strategy and the goal and what we've been doing, and like I say, what I'm about to show y'all, people already been getting results, you know. But the long story short, we just showing people how to buy these big brands, you know. Some of us work with these big brands, some of us partner with them, some of us definitely bank with them and shop with them. But we showing people how to buy the brands. You know what I'm saying? For pennies on a dollar, be able to buy and sell these brands and make money. We talking life-changing money. We talking lifetime skill set money. About to see this right here is the video tutorials, right? And you get access to more than just the video tutorials, guys. You get access to the video tutorials. And she about to choke herself over here. Video tutorials, right? And this is all self-paced. You get access to this, right? But this is advanced all the way from beginner stage all the way to advanced. So you ain't got to know nothing. Nothing. Blank canvas, right? You can walk out of here not knowing nothing from being confused about money, investing, everything, right? From walking out being a super expert, and I guarantee it, right? So you get access to this. But you get access to a lot more than just that. But let me show you guys these testimonials of Just some of the people. We got more testimonies on the way. All right, I just been procrastinating on putting these testimonies out there. So many I got to keep up with. But as you guys can see, we got people that's 30 days fresh. Listen to me, people 30 days fresh into this. Now I can't tell these grown people what to do. I can't. I can only coach and guide and mentor you. That's all I'm here to do. Like I said, we got grown people in here, people that's older than me, right? But that don't mean anything. But what I want to say to you is this. It doesn't matter, who you are. It depends on your drive and your ambitions. Because people come in here and be 90 days in, still trying to learn it, and it may take you a day to learn it. It may take you a week. It may take you 2 months. It depends on you as a person. This gentleman here, listen to me, this gentleman right here jumped into it, right? And he got the information in the blueprint and was so confident, listen to me, that was like, man, hey, I don't want to play with no demo money. I want to put my real money into it. You guys get what I'm saying? This guy right here had the blueprint, the same blueprint everybody else is getting, right? And was like, man, forget this. I'm that confident that I want to jump right in. I want to put my real money into it, right? Showing you true transparency, showing you true results and testimonials. And this is just a dialogue that me and him had. He showed me his trades. He had a $45 loss, $150, and then he pocketed $50. So he's just showing his losses. But like I said, people plugging into the blueprint and under 30 days. This is more of his profit that he's showing me. Simply just trading what we show him. Alright? And then let me show you guys another one. This is another testimony, another different person. Small account. They grow in small account to whatever they desire. Just showing you that it don't take thousands of dollars to even do this. You're seeing testimonies of real life, ordinary people. I'm just showing you guys our dialogue. Just being transparent with y'all. Showing y'all that this is possible. So stop sitting on the sidelines. Get invested. Testimonials. We got my guy Nate Dogg on here, We had a little dialogue as well. And, as you guys see, he said, less than an hour. You guys see this? Look, less than an hour. Just plugging and playing what we told him, right? Following directions. He was able to cash out $489 in less than an hour. That's life-changing. Come on, man. That's life-changing. Same trade. And this is what he sent me, through the text. I just wanted to make it bigger so people can see it live, big, you know what I'm saying? $489 in less than an hour. What they do that at? I don't know. And this is Nate again, This is the following day. He hit me up like, man, I got into a trade, so and so and so, Yeah, Ava, tell him. 211. That's a blessing. And even more testimonies, and we're going to keep these testimonies going, and we're looking for even more success stories. And like I said, we're live, YouTube and Facebook right now. We're live because we want to get, more success stories. That's all it is. We know that this stuff works. We got the juice. We got the blueprint. We got the swag, whatever you want to say. We got it. You got to just come get it because we want you to be our next success story. It's just simple as that. Ain't no question about what we're doing over here works. It's just that we want you guys to wake up and learn about this. So, no, for real. Literally, we are looking for people that want to be our next success story. So, if you want to make money on the side and you want to generate another, stream of income or some longevity for your family, hit us up. Learn about this skill set because we passing it on. We passing it on. I guarantee you that. All right? And like I say, for you guys just joining, it depends on you, the person, how quick you can catch on. You're talking $45 account being grown to whatever. $50 account being grown to whatever. And these are different people, guys. Same blueprint, same information. You're talking black, white, Caucasian, older people, younger people. It don't matter who you are, where you from, or none of that. It don't. I was a CD student in math, and look, I've been honest with y'all. I wasn't good at as far as math. I wasn't. But hey, what we talking about over here is easy as A, B, C, D. No lie. So, when you guys get a chance, check out our testimonials and our success stories. And like I said, we're going to continue to update these success stories as we go. And like I say, you know, I'm kind of giving you guys a little bit of what to expect before you guys get inside the inner circle. And that's been able to cash it out on these patterns, man. Let's see if this one played out for us. All right, not yet. So that one hasn't played out for us yet. Let's see what else we got before we jump off this live video. Because we're going to be doing this right back again. Monday, look, listen, guys. Monday through Friday, all right? 9 a.m. Central Standard Time every single day. Monday through Friday. So set a reminder, you know. So what else we got? So like I say, the markets are kind of a little slow on Mondays. You know, Monday, Tuesday, they kind of, you know, gradually spike up in volume as the week goes on because they're establishing, and like I said, I can't give y'all too much of the hidden gems, but I give y'all this because I love y'all. All right? I can't give y'all too much of the inside scoop, but I'm going to do it for y'all. Monday and Tuesday are generally the days when the market is going to establish the barriers of the week. You know what I'm saying? So meaning that, you know, we go off highs and lows every single day and week. So the high and low of the week and day is our guide, our blueprint to where we want to position ourselves as investors to either sell or buy. You know, you get what I'm saying? So don't worry about nothing right now. If you're confused or you don't know anything, reach out to me personally if you got any questions or concerns. And once you get inside the inner circle, you get access to information, resources, me personally, my personal number, my one-on-one time, my attention. Like I said, you get access to the video tutorials that you guys are seeing here. And you also get access to the Telegram where we, you know, call out trades and different things like that. So, you know, like I said, this ain't our first rodeo or anything like that. And it starts with you, you know, in your mind and changing the way you think. So let's see if so we was waiting for this consolidation to break out. Let's see if we can break out this consolidation today, or we might just be consolidating the entire day. We don't know. But right now they are consolidating for sure. We may just get a bounce off this level because I'm getting y'all hidden gems if y'all catching it. You know what I'm saying? Y'all not even in part of the 120 circle yet. But look, just know that around these round numbers is where we like to place our trades, where we like to get in and do business at, because the institutions, yeah, it would tell them. So let me show you guys before we jump off. Look, these institutions, right? You see these institutions right here? These institutions right here like to get in and do business around these round numbers, these quarter numbers. So we do the same thing. And we got the blueprint. We're going to pass it on to you once you get in. So we're going to go ahead and jump off here. And we're going to extend the offer to, you know, like I say, a select few people. Not everybody's going to be made to make 6 and 7 figures or even to do what we're doing over here as far as this skill set. So we're going to extend the offer to everyone, but everybody's not meant to take upon this deal. So we understand that. All women and men, we all die, but we don't all get to live and live life to the fullest. So 120 Dreamers, stand up. And I look forward to all you future 120 Dreamers locking arms with us today and just seeing this vision for yourself. Seeing that this industry, this lifetime skill set can make you money, can put money in your pocket, put money towards your dreams and goals and whatever you truly passionate about. So I love y'all. I'll see y'all tomorrow. And stay tuned to the end. I'm going to extend this offer for y'all to get locked in. And holla. It's your boy, Mr. 120 Dreams. And Ava, be out. Alright guys, so what you guys are seeing right now is a mobile application. Now listen to me. This is not something that we have to depend on nobody else with. This is purely a lifetime skill set where we able to learn the skill set on our own time. You meaning from if you got a laptop, desktop, iPad, mobile phone, you can access the same information that I'm showing you right now. All right. Now, this is like I say, this is exclusive information and not going to be available to everybody and not for long. All right. Now, you have this option to put this money towards whatever you're truly passionate about. There's no excuses why you couldn't or why you shouldn't learn this skill set. Simply because investing has been the culture, all right? But it's now the new swag. Being a 120 dreamer, we're making investing, making money, generational wealth, the new swag, the new cool thing to do. It's the right thing to do. You owe it to yourself to make 2020 and this whole entire decade yours. And it starts here. Taking the same skill set, same financial vehicle that Mr. 120 Dreams himself has taken and still to this day using to fund his 120 Dreams. Alright, guys? So, iPhone, Samsung, Android, laptop, desktop, it doesn't matter. You can learn the same skill set and make money by simply plugging and playing the blueprint, finding patterns, time of the day, where, when, and how. Simple as that. But guess what, guys? We'll be right back at this thing Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 9 a.m. Central Standard Time. It's your boy, Mr. 120 Dreams, with baby Ava, and we checking out. Love y'all.